So today I'm gonna show you two different ways of removing an object from the picture. So let's get started. So let's start the first way. And before you start, I want you to copy the background really quick. And once you do that, let's remove some object from the picture. Let's remove this flower from the picture, this one. And for this, you need to go for lasso tool. You press L, or you can go and choose it from here. Once you do that, you need to quickly make the circle. And once you have finished this process, you go for editing part. There you have content aware fill. It automatically fills from the other parts of the picture, and you have a very fantastic result. You can see that as if this picture weren't even there. So now let's choose a bigger object. So let's go for a chair now. Let's suppose that we need to remove this chair from the picture. So again, you choose the lasso tool and you go for the quick circle. As you can see, we cannot choose it perfectly. Some necessary parts are in the circle, which we don't need to remove. So instead, we don't work hard, we need to work smart. You quickly deselect, you go for object selection tool, you can press W for that, and you just press this chair really quick. It takes a bit time for the system to choose the chair, but the result is much better than the first one. So as you can see, it selected the chair really quick, and some parts of the chair are selected incorrectly. You can improve it. You can go for quick selection tool. You can press Option or Alt. If you are in Windows, you just press it, it selects again. You can improve it, but today we are not gonna do this. But the most important thing for you to remember, when it chooses, it doesn't choose like perfectly. So we need to improve it a little bit. So you go for selection tool again, you modify it, you need to expand it a little bit. I'm gonna go for 10 pixels. In your case, it might be more or less, depending on the size of the picture. So once you do that, I want you to go for editing part. There you have content aware fill. You just quickly press it. It automatically removes the chair from the background. So as you can see, you just quickly deselect again. As you can see, we have a very good result. So that's it for number one. So let's go for the second way. In the second way, we will try to use stamp tool. As you can see, we have very beautiful picture. We have this, beautiful cheesecake and the cookies. I hope you are not hungry. And let's start the second way. Let's suppose we want to remove this cookie. I love the cookies. Cookies are fine, but this cookie is way too small. So let's remove it. What I want you to do, I want you to choose stamp tool. You can go for here, or you can just press S. And after that, I want you to press Option or Alt and choose the part that you want to copy. Let's suppose we're gonna copy from here. And then you just have to randomly go through the cookie, and it starts removing the cookie from the picture. As you can see, the results are not appealing at all. It doesn't look fine. It doesn't look natural. So this tool is fine, but you need exact parts of the picture to copy. So as stamp tool didn't work out well, let's try to use the first way instead of it. Let's get back the cookies. What I want you to do, I want you to copy the background really quick, and let's use our first way, traditional way that we used. So let's go for the lasso tool again. You need to make the circle of this cookie, and let's do this way. We will remove all the cookies from the picture. And if you want to add, you need to press Shift. It adds the lasso tool again. So I want you to make the circle for each cookie. So let's make it for this cookie also. I'm gonna take all the spoon because it's super hard to remove that cookie only. So let's go for editing part. There you have content aware fill. You just quickly press it. It automatically removes the cookies from the background. As you can see, this way is much easier. It doesn't take a lot of time and you have a better result at the end. So let's suppose that we want to remove cookies in cheesecake also. So again, you need to make the circle really quick. And if you want to remove this one also, you need to press Shift. And again, you need to make the really quick circle. You go for editing part. There you have content aware fill. And there you have it. So the final result, you just press it and the final result looks awesome. And so this is the result. Let's compare it with the previous one. You have the cookies, so you don't have the cookies. You have cookies and no cookies. So that's it for today's video. Today we learned how to remove an object from the picture. And as you saw, stamp tool didn't work out well and the content aware field was a better option. Make sure that you subscribe for the channel and like this video.